2018 Jeep Compass. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom. Do that. There's a switch right here. You're going to push the switch towards the right and then the emergency key will come out. Now if we look at the bottom of the remote with the buttons facing down, you got two slots. This first slot is for the emergency key. The second slot is to open it up. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and stick it in the slot. We're gonna turn it kind of like this, okay? And I'm gonna pry the remote open, all right? Prying motion like this. We'll open it right up. You can take it off, and the battery is actually located on the back cover, okay? Take our screwdriver. Just pry the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing down, okay? So all the words are facing down in the remote. If you need a battery or the size again, you can go to the description box and I'll have a link there and the information for the battery, okay? This takes you to Amazon. You get the other half of the cover, put them together, squeeze them together like that, and you're good to go. Put the emergency key back in, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button please, and leave me a comment if you could.